Jai Shri Krishna. Let's see how to play Geeta Jayanti Olympiad. First, log in to play.learngeeta.com. I have already registered and updated my profile, for which I have got 50 game credits. On the dashboard, you will see quizzes, submissions, and games. Let's take a look at 12 listed activities under quizzes. Like for round 1, select your language and you will be asked multiple choice questions. Correct answer carries a few points. Similarly, there are other rounds. Let's take a look at jumbled shlokas, and you will see shlokas written in jumbled way. You have to select the correct version of the shloka. Here, each correct answer carries 20 credit points. Next, you have to match meaning. Here, you will have to match the shlokas with the meanings given in the list. Each correct answer will carry 25 credits. Next, take a look at round 4. Geeta Wisdom Round. This is how a scenario quiz would look like. A short description would be given for a situation. You have to pick the best decision as per Geeta wisdom. Next, let's see refute the wrong statement. You have to pick the one statement that goes against all others. Next is audio identification. Here we are given an audio clip for the shloka. We will have to identify the chapter and shloka number. Now in round 5, we are given the shloka meaning, and we will have to select the shloka's adhyay and shloka number for which the meaning comes from. This one is adhyay 6, shloka number 26. We have 5 submission activities also. Every day, your video entries will be reviewed within 24 hours. Now here, slogan can be written creatively. You can submit any slogan that you can think of that you have written creatively, and it imbibes Geeta Parivar's principles. You can upload your shlokas videos here. It could be a YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook link. Next, you can upload photo of the day. It should reflect the seva in a creative and selfless way. Something that is great example of any Geeta Tattva. Also make sure to write and describe a little bit about the action as well. Make sure the photo isn't dramatic. Next, Go Seva. Submit Drive or YouTube link for your seva and about your seva that you have done for Gaumata. The duration should be maximum 30 to 40 minutes. Again, this should not be a performance, rather compassion-driven towards Gaumata and should not disturb animals. Review will be done within 48 hours. Next comes Shloka Bhashya. Here you can explain the meaning of a shloka in your own words. Let's take a look at Games section. Collect Puzzle Quest. Here you can unlock one piece each day for 2 credit points. Arjun Archery. You'll have to shoot the target with an arrow. You'll be given 5 arrows. All the other rules are explained here as well. It is a great way to test your focus while reminding you how Arjuna only saw the eye of the fish. Arjuna Flying. You have to pop the object upwards and keep moving forward. Amrut Kalash. In this game, you have to collect all sattvic items and discard tamasic ones. Jigsaw. Here you can arrange slides to make the perfect picture. Divine Coloring. This section is coming soon. Come, let's play and learn Bhagavad Gita. Jai Shri Krishna.